On March 6, 2005, Fortaleza, Brazil, became the stage for an audacious bank robbery that stunned the world. A group of criminals carried out a high-risk heist, spending months digging a tunnel from a rented house right into the vault of Brazil's Banco Central. They stole an astonishing $70 million. How did they pull off such a meticulously planned operation, and what happened afterward? This is the heist of the Banco Central Bank. Welcome back to Viz Discovery. The Banco Central, known for its strong security, was targeted by a gang led by Antonio Josevan Alves dos Reis. Let's take a closer look at the members of this daring heist. Antonio Josevan Alves dos Reis was the mastermind behind the heist. A former auto mechanic with no criminal record, Reis carefully planned every detail of the operation, from securing the house near the bank to managing the heist itself. Carlau, Reis's right-hand man, played a crucial role in organizing the heist. Luis Paulo was the tunnel construction specialist. Marcelo was the security expert, and four more. The heist began months before the actual robbery. The gang rented a house on a quiet street near the Banco Central and started digging the tunnel to the vault. They studied the bank's security systems, including cameras, alarms, and patrol schedules, to create a precise plan. On March 6th, the heist unfolded with impressive precision. The gang entered the tunnel and made their way to the bank. The 78-meter-long tunnel was dug with such care that it remained undetected. As they emerged, they found themselves inside the bank's vault area. To gain access to the vault, the gang had to bypass several layers of security. Marcelo, the security expert, used his knowledge to disable the alarm system and ensure the bank's cameras were offline, creating an opportunity for the gang to operate undisturbed. The vault door, requiring a sophisticated unlocking mechanism, was breached using advanced tools designed for high-security locks. The gang quickly filled large bags with cash and prepared for their escape. The getaway was meticulously planned. After exiting the bank through the tunnel, the gang used several vehicles to flee the scene and move to their safe houses. After the heist, the gang dispersed to avoid capture. They hid in different cities and rural areas, using fake identities and engaging in money laundering to spend the stolen money carefully. The breakthrough in the investigation came when authorities discovered the rented house and the hidden tunnel. This crucial find revealed the tunnel's detailed construction and the tools used in the heist. Investigators analyzed surveillance footage from nearby cameras, which captured the vehicles used during the heist. This footage helped trace the vehicles to various locations. Witnesses reported suspicious activity around the rented house, providing descriptions of the gang members. With this information, authorities tracked down several gang members. Coordinated raids led to the arrest of key figures like Antonio Josevan Alves dos Reis. The police apprehended other members in different locations, including their safe houses. Despite the arrests, much of the stolen $70 million was never recovered. The money had been laundered, hidden, or spent by the gang before their capture. The recovered amount was only a small fraction of the total stolen. The Banco Central heist remains one of the most impressive and intricate bank robberies ever executed. It highlighted the criminal ingenuity of the gang and the significant challenges faced by law enforcement in bringing them to justice. Like, share, and subscribe to Viz Discovery to keep up with our latest content. Stay tuned for more.